John
John
chapter 12,
chapter 12,
30 to
32
40.
40.
Jesus answered,
Jesus answered,
"This voice has come for
this voice has come for you,
your sake,
your sake,
not mine.
not mine.
Now is the
Now is the
judgment of this world.
judgment of this world.
Now will the ruler of this
Now will the ruler of this
world be cast out.
world be cast out.
And
And
I,
I,
when I am lifted up
when I am lifted up
from the earth,
from the earth,
will draw
will draw
all people to myself."
all people to myself.
He said this
Said this
to show
to show
by what kind of death
by what kind of death
he was going to die.
he was going to die.
So the crowd answered him,
The crowd answered him,
"We have heard
we have heard
from the law
from the law
that the Christ remains forever.
that the Christ remember.
How can you say that
How can you say that
the Son of Man
the Son of Man
must be lifted up?
must be lifted up?
Who is this
Who is this
Son of Man?"
Son of Man?
So Jesus said to them,
So Jesus said to them,
"The light is
the light is
among you
among you
for a little while
for a little while
longer.
longer.
Walk while
Walk while
you have the light,
you have the light,
lest darkness overtake you.
lest darkness overtake you.
The one
The one
who walks in the darkness
who walks in the darkness
does not
does not
know
know
where he is going.
where he is going.
While you have the light,
While you have the
believe in the light,
believe in the light,
that you may become
that you may become
sons of light."
sons of light.
When Jesus had said
When Jesus had said
these things,
these
he departed
he departed
and hid himself
and he hid himself
from them.
from them.
Though
So
he had done
he had done
so many signs
so many signs
before them,
for them.
they still did not believe in him.
They still did not believe in him.
So that
So that
the word spoken by the prophet Isaiah
the words spoken by the Isaiah
might be fulfilled.
might be fulfilled.
Lord,
Lord,
who has believed
who has believed
what he had heard from us,
what he had heard from us,
and to
and to
whom has the arm
whom has the arm
of the Lord been revealed?
of the Lord been revealed.
Therefore,
Therefore,
they could not believe.
they could not believe.
For again Isaiah said,
For again Isaiah said,
He has blinded their eyes
He has blinded their eyes
and hardened their
and
heart,
hardened their heart,
lest they
lest they
see their eyes
see their eyes
and understand
and understand
with their heart
with their heart
and turn,
and turn,
and I would heal them.
and I would heal them.
John
John
chapter 12,
chapter 12,
41 to
41 to
50.
50.
Isaiah said these things
Isaiah said these things
because
because
he saw his glory
he saw his glory
and spoke of him.
and spoke of him.
Nevertheless,
Nevertheless,
many,
many,
even of the authorities,
even of the authorities,
believed in him.
believed in him.
But for
For
fear of the Pharisees,
fear of the Pharisees,
they did not confess it,
they did not confess it,
so that
so that
they would not be
they would not be
put out of the synagogue.
put out of the synagogue.
For they loved the glory
For they loved the glory
that comes from man
that comes from man
more than
more than
the glory that comes from God.
the glory that comes from God.
And Jesus cried out
And Jesus cried out
and said,
and said,
Whoever believes in me
whoever believes in me
believes
believes
not in me,
not in me,
but in him
but in him
who sent me.
who sent me.
And whoever sees me
And whoever sees me
sees him
sees him
who sent me.
who sent me.
I have come into the world
I have come into the world
as light,
as light,
so that whoever believes in me
whoever believes in me
may not remain
may not remain
in darkness.
in darkness.
If anyone hears my words
If anyone hears my words
and does not keep them,
and does not keep,
I do not judge him,
I do not judge,
for I did not
but I did not
come to judge
come to
the world,
the world,
but to save the world.
but to save the world.
The one
The one
who rejects me
who rejects me
and does not receive my words
and does not receive my words
has a judge.
has a judge.
The word
The word
that I have spoken
that I have spoken
will judge him
will judge him
on the last day.
on the last day.
For I have not spoken
For I have not spoken
on my own authority,
on my own authority,
but the Father
but the Father
who sent me
who sent me
has himself
has himself
given me a commandment,
given me a commandment
what to say
what to say
and what to speak.
and what to speak.
And I know
And I know
that his commandment
that his commandment
is eternal life.
is eternal life.
What I say,
What I say,
therefore,
therefore,
I say
I say,
as the Father has told me.
as the Father has told me.